Hello flowers, it's Si here from Si Moto Photo and welcome back to the channel. Thanks everyone that's interacted with the videos on the channel, given your comments on them, liked the videos, it's so much appreciated, I can't tell you. Well, today's a really exciting day. We've got the team coming, or the team in early today because they're super excited about a new bike that's about to arrive, the new Tiger 900. So without further ado, let's jump round the back and let's unbox this bike and let's give you a good look at what the new Tiger 900 is all about. If you like the content, please drop a subscribe, like the video, you know what to do, but let's get round the back and let's see what this bike's all about. So we've got 4 bikes just been dropped off, and one of these bikes is one of these bikes. What are you saying? One of these bikes is something quite special. So we've been waiting on this one coming for a while. It's under these wraps. Let's take a look at it and see what this is. CR8 model. A CR8. So we've got 4 bikes here. We've got 2 Tiger 1200s rallies in khaki green. We've got a 400 scrambler that's arrived, and we've got the much anticipated, and we've also got another scrambler 400 coming off. Andy, what's under these wrappers?
One of them quite exciting.
So, you looking forward to seeing this bike?
Aye. I just wish it wasn't an ice rink out here to move them around.
Alright, I can't wait to see this. It's
A CR9. A CR8, sorry.
see, we get Christmas literally every week.
Aye.
This is just a good example of what's they got. It just shows how well they pack these things.
I know,
well.
I know.
For the customers to see how they're looked after, and
PDI boxes.
PDI boxes. They do like their clips.
Andy's on phase 2 of the mission. Oh, sneaky peek, sneaky peek. Wully,
Hello everybody!
are you excited about what's under the wraps here?
Oh aye, I can see
What
two 400s.
are you most excited about?
Is my scrambler turned up yet? Is my scrambler turned up yet?
No, never mind your scramble. Look at that. Look at that there. Hey, don't tell them what it is yet. It's a CR8. It's a CR8.
It's a slicky thing. Oh, interesting.
And there's a lot of ice.
Oh,
I see, is there?
Oh, look at that. Look at that for a wee thingy.
yeah, for the ride.
Yeah.
Seat's got a different kind of texture to it. Look.
It's wider as well.
No, but look, it's got a wee shaped it.
Tiger 900, 2024. How nice is that? Ed, let's do a tank review.
Da, 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 da.
Lovely colour.
That's gorgeous, isn't it?
It's beautiful.
Andy, what do you think of it?
Nice, I like that. That's nice. And
That's nice. Ed, what's your favourite bit here?
All of it.
Was it a pleasure to deliver it?
Oh, it was lovely. I almost fell on Mars 3 times.
Oh my god. This has been long overdue.
Back on my bum on YouTube. 10% commission for whoever helps me play.
Right. Radiator guards. Well, there you go, the Tiger 900. I hope you enjoyed that one. If you liked the video, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel, please. We're trying to build up as many subscribers as we possibly can. If you like Triumph content and you want to see more, you know what to do. But thanks again for tuning in to Simoto Photo. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take it easy, man.